How to set nickname in Instagram chat. So if you want to set a nickname in Instagram chat, then first let's open up Instagram application. Once you've opened, now you can simply go for the messages which is on the upper right, and then you can open up a chat. So for example, I have this chat right here. So if you go for the upper left of that chat which has that name, you can simply tap on the name, and then if you go to the options which has that three dots icon, here you will have an option to report, block, or restrict that person, or you can view the profile or mute that person, or you can simply adjust the theme. But instead of that, you don't have any other option to set a nickname in Instagram chat because we don't have that option. But you can set your nickname in your Instagram group chat, but you can't set nickname in Instagram chat. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.